Hi friends, welcome to my Windows 10 Explorer channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add this magnifier in the right click context menu by using simple Windows Registry tweak. Here you can see the magnifier in the right click side. When you click on lens, it will automatically open the magnifier in lens mode. First, open the Windows Registry Editor by clicking on the start button and typing Registry Editor. Here you can see the Registry Editor. Just click on here to open the Windows Registry Editor. In the Windows Registry Editor, go to HKey classes root, and in the HKey classes root, go to directory, and in the directory, go to background. In the background, select shell. So I'm going to select this shell. Here I'm going to right click on here and select new key. The name of the key is Magnifier. Press enter. This key enables the option in the right click menu, that is magnifier. But still this function not works. See, when I click on the magnifier, the Windows 10 Explorer give an error message, that is the file does not have an app associated with the performing action. So we are going to give the commands to this magnifier key. Now go to the Registry Editor again. In the Registry Editor, select magnifier, and in the right side we are going to add some strings. So right click on here, select new string value. The string value name is icon. So double click on the icon, and the value data is imageres.dll -145. Click OK. Here this icon option enable the icon option to magnifier like this one. Now again in the Registry Editor and in the magnifier right side, select new string value. The string value name is position. Press enter and double click on the position. So give the value data to bottom. Click OK. This position bottom string value makes the magnifier to move below the right click menu. Here you can see it is dropped down in the below bottom side. And for the last string, that is the going to create a magnifier subcommand list. So I'm going to right click on here, new string value. The name of the string value is SubCommands with S capital and C capital. Leave it empty. So this will create the magnifier to looks like a drop down menu like this one. Here you can see the new give the drop down menu for additional commands, and also we are going to give magnifier some additional commands. So we done some icon position subcommand strings. Now we are going to select the magnifier and right click on here, select new key. I'm going to give the key name is shell. I'm going to right click on shell and select new key. This time I'm going to give the name lens. We all know that magnifier has three options, that is lens, full screen, dock. So I'm going to give each and every option in the magnifier drop down menu. So I'm going to press enter. This will gives the magnifier drop down lens. So right click on lens and select new key, that is command. So we are going to give a command. The command is actually works for the lens magnifier. In the right side, I'm going to double click on the default, and I'm going to give the value data, that is enable open the magnifier in lens mode. So I'm going to give the value that is, see, you can see this is the path for the magnifier application with the lens option. So I'm going to click OK. Here you can see the lens command is given the string name lens. Now you can see when I right click on here and go to the magnifier and click on the lens, the magnifier application enables with the 200% zoom. Now we can also give two more commands, that are dock and full screen. So again, select the shell and right click on here, new key. Now I'm going to enter full screen. Right click on the full screen, give new key command for the full screen. In the right side, double click on the default, give the value data to magnifier with full screen. Click OK, and again right click on the shell and select new key, give the name dock, and in the right click on the dock, select new key, give the command, and in the right side double click on the default and give the value data to open the magnifier in docked mode. Click OK. With the help of these three lens full screen commands, we can enable the magnifier in the right side right click menu like this. Here you can see in the magnifier, I'm going to click dock This will show in the Docker section in the top of the Windows. And I'm going to select, right click, magnifier, full screen. This will enable the full screen magnifier. And again, finally, right click on magnifier, lens. This will open the lens magnifier. So if you don't want the magnifier in the right click context menu, you can go to the Registry Editor and just simply delete this magnifier key, just this one key. So entire magnifier option in the right click context menu will be disappeared.